Venomous Productions.
You want me?
Venom.
I'm right here. The
Yeah,
fuck? Hoe wanna be me, huh?
Looking
ass bitch.
Dumb ass.
Look. They talking down on the boss, trying to switch up the game. Got my pictures on they wall, but that shit ain't my name. Got these fake ass producers claiming stardom, but they lame. Got these dumb ass dykes getting dick, it's a shame. Y'all done pissed off the warden, time to knock this bitch down. Murder mommy in this bitch, so you know I got the clown. I'm going in, no filter, so you bitches hit the ground. Cause my baby daddy told me, and he spit 100 rounds. Keep my name out your mouth and put my pussy in that bitch. I eat money, so you good, that mean my coming sticking rich. Keep stealing my shit, and I'ma play you like a toy. Put a noose around your neck, dump your body in junkyards. Leave a note up in your pocket, reading badass venom. Boy, I'm stupid, never been the type to talk much. Bullets bigger than an apple, leave you looking like a crutch. My temper flying hard, I'm finna fuck up the game. Bitch, I'm not Cassandra Little's hoe, my last name Haynes. You trying to be a boss, yeah, that shit is fucking insane. Let me show you how it's done, send me your address and your name, and I'ma keep them goons coming, bitch, back to back. Yeah, shooting back to back. Have your whole hood ducking like back to back. Yeah, bodies back to back. Keep fucking with me here.
Stop it.
All y'all hoes, any of y'all hoes in the rap game that wanted my nigga, I'ma give it to you. This ain't even on vandalism. This just cause I done snapped. Now I can continue to our regular scheduled programming. Thank you very kindly. Venom the boss.
It's all bipolar.